So you're a coffee lover like me, always on the lookout for the perfect brew, and today I'm super excited to share with you my thoughts on the Breville Espresso kit. It's a game changer for home coffee enthusiasts, and I'm really looking forward to diving in and exploring all its features. The Breville Espresso kit is essentially an espresso machine kit designed to help you create amazing coffee at home. It's got everything you need to get started, and I mean everything, from the machine itself to all the accessories. Now, let's take a closer look at the specs. The kit comes in a compact 54mm size, which is really convenient for home use. It's also Breville compatible, so if you already have a Breville machine, this kit will work seamlessly with it. The kit also includes a tamper, which is essential for getting the perfect espresso shot, a portafilter, which is where you put your coffee grounds, a distributor, which helps to evenly distribute the coffee, and a knock box, which is where you knock out the used coffee grounds. All these components work together to help you create a perfect cup of espresso, and I have to say, it's been a total breeze to use. The tamper is really sturdy, the portafilter is easy to clean, and the distributor is really clever. In terms of the spec breakdown, I've been really impressed with the quality of the components. The tamper is made of stainless steel, which is really durable, and the portafilter is made of a high-quality plastic that's easy to clean and resistant to scratches. The distributor is also really well designed. It's got a clever little mechanism that helps to evenly distribute the coffee grounds, which is really important for getting a consistent flavor. The knock box is also really useful. It's got a nice little compartment where you can knock out the used coffee grounds, and it's really easy to clean. In real-world use, I've found the kit to be really easy to use. Even for a beginner like me, the instructions are clear, and the whole process is pretty straightforward. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I've been really impressed with the results. The espresso shots are rich and full of flavor, and the whole process is really easy to repeat. I've also been experimenting with different types of coffee beans, and I've been really impressed with the versatility of the kit. It can handle a wide range of coffee beans, from light to dark roasts, and it's really easy to adjust the settings to get the perfect shot. I've also been using the kit to make lattes and cappuccinos, and it's been really easy to create a perfect milk-to-coffee ratio. The kit comes with a built-in steam wand, which is really convenient, and it's easy to froth and steam the milk to the perfect temperature. Overall, I'd give the Breville Espresso kit a solid 8 out of 10. It's been a great addition to my home coffee setup, and I think it would be perfect for anyone looking to take their coffee game to the next level. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and coffee-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.